Hello students. So before starting today's topic, just give me a answer of some questions. And in which country do you live? That is India. We live in India country. Do you know that our country is same or everywhere, or the different landforms are there in our country? Suppose you are moved when you are going to a trip in a northern area. What you have seen? You have seen the mountains, and we people are living in Punjab state, and nearby our states are Haryana and UP. What is that? That is plain area. If we will move to the southward, so that is also not a same, that are different, means there are the different land features are there, like coastal plain is there and plateau region is there. So means जो today's जो topic है, that is on the landforms, means major landforms of the earth. means जो आज का topic है we will read, that is the major landforms of the earth, chapter number 6. It is from your geography book. If we will take the pic from the space, अगर हम space से that land surface की अर्थ की जो pic लेते हैं, according to that land is to be a smooth, means according to from the space it look like a smooth area, but in actually it is not be a smooth, it has a different kinds of land features. So that we will discuss today. And the variation on the land surface of the earth are known as relief feature or landforms. Means जो variation क्या है बेटा? Variation is the difference, means different kind of areas on the land surface. Variation जो differences है land features का on the land surface of the earth are known as relief feature or landforms. Relief feature means variation in elevation in the on the land surface, means variation on the land surface. Relief means relief or landforms mean. And here the question is this, ki if the question will come, what do you mean by the landforms? So answer is the variation on the land surface of the earth are known as landforms. If the question will be asked by the relief feature, so relief feature means also we will write the same answer. So these are the two words, answer is the same. Now the जो different जो that land features है, why these are the different? इनके पीछे बेटा two kinds of the forces है that make the differences, that make the variation on the land surface. The two type force कौन से है बेटा? That is internal forces and external forces. Internal forces as well as the external forces. और जो internal forces है, internal forces जो time to time it going to changing जो होती रहती है, but it will very slow. We can't feel these. जैसे अर्थ मूव कर रही है, but we can't feel. Just we are just according to the rise of the sun की रेज की वजह से हमें पता चलता है कि जो अर्थ क्या है, मूव कर रही है, but we are not feeling. So same thing is जो changing है, changing also जो internal changing forces है, वो that we can't feel, हम उसको feel नहीं करते, but actually में वो changing क्या है, day by day होती रहती है. तो for example जैसे volcanic है, earthquakes है, ये क्या है? ये इंटरनल फोर्स की वजह से होते हैं. अर्थक्वेक और साइक्लोन्स हैं, साइक्लोन्स इन द मीन्स ओशन एरिया. सो दीज आर दी नोन एज द इंटरनल फोर्सेस, जो इंटरनल इनसाइड द अर्थ जो फोर्स होता है, बिकॉज ड्यू टू द जो गैसेस है वो मेल्ट होती हैं, ठीक है, मेल्ट की वजह से या प्रेशर की वजह से दे आर मेकिंग द चेंजिंग, दैट आर नोन एज द इंटरनल फोर्स. These are also known as the tectonic forces. इसको tectonic forces भी कहा जाता है. And due to these internal force की वजह से क्या formation होती है? Plateau region और mountains. Due to these formation internal force की वजह से क्या लैंड फीचर्स, कौन से लैंड फीचर्स की फॉर्मेशन होती है, दैट इज द प्लेट्यू रीजन एज वेल एज द माउंटेन रीजन। सेकेंड आ जाता है बेटा एक्सटर्नल forces. External forces also are gravitational force or erosion जिसको बोलते हैं। जो external that is on the earth means changing on the earth. How these changing? These are also very slow, but we can't feel this. Just we have observed it. With, it is changing. जो external forces है that is with the means due to the wind, due to the pressure of water means जो river है that river water है high level से जब then it will move to the down that उसकी वजह से जो mountains होते हैं बेटा mountains की जो rocks है that we they means with pressure of the water it's move with the onto the low area, so that type of the changing are known as the external force means force क्या है pressure तो means टू टाइप्स फोर्सेस कौन से हैं, इंटरनल फोर्सेस एंड एक्सटर्नल फोर्सेस एंड इंटरनल फोर्सेस आल्सो नोन एज द टेक्टोनिक फोर्सेस एंड एक्सटर्नल फोर्स आल्सो नोन एज द ग्रेडेशनल फोर्स और erosion. So these are the two force. Yes, next your topic is that landforms of the earth means which landforms or surface are there that we will discuss one by one. And there are the mainly जो है three landforms हैं, mountains, plateaus and plains. Mountains, plateaus and plains. Again mountains again three types. जो mountains हैं that are again three types, that is fold mountains, block mountain, volcanic mountain. Fold mountains, block mountains and volcanic mountains. First is the fold mountains. A fold mountain is why it is known as the fold mountains. Now see, I will show one thing. See, it is the book. Just we will do the one practical. When force means जो force है center part से जब किसी चीज को force लगता है then it will be come up. So means when the direct force in between then it should be fold like this. जो हमारे अर्थ के इंटरनल जो टाइटैनिक जो प्लेट्स हैं उसके अंदर जब when that pressure होता है जब force लगता है तो it should be fold like this. So it is known as the फोल्ड माउंटेन. तो जो जिनको प्रेशर जो है फोर्स जो है सेंटर पार्ट से प्रेशर होता है दैट माउंटेन्स आर नोन एज द फोल्ड माउंटेन्स. नाउ इन some examples are there of the fold mountains, and that fold mountains are as well as the youngest fold means जो new है, and some are the old mountains. अब यो फोल्ड माउंटेन्स है बेटा दैट इज द हिमालयस. जो हिमालयस माउंटेन कहाँ पर है, वेयर आर दे, दैट आर इन इंडिया मीन्स इन एशिया पार्ट. दैट हिमालयन जो हिमालय माउंटेन्स है दैट आर इन द एशिया पार्ट. एंड जो रॉकीज है रॉकीज आर इन द नॉर्थ अमेरिका. जो माउंटेन रेंज है रॉकीज माउंटेन रेंज इन नॉर्थ अमेरिका एंड अंडीज माउंटेन रेंज इन साउथ अमेरिका. These are the young fold mountains. Young fold mountain means ये इसका जो टाइम पीरियड है इट्स नॉट ज़्यादा पुराने समय के लिए ये न्यू है. अगर हम बात करें हिमालयन माउंटेन्स की, हिमालय जहाँ पर आज हिमालय है तो बहुत साल पहले वहाँ पर हिमालय रीजन नहीं था, ये इज द वाटर बॉडी थी. तो ड्यू टू दिस चेंजिंग और ड्यू टू दिस प्रेशर फोर्स की वजह से यहाँ पर जो है माउंटेन अब. So that is these are known as the young fold mountains. Next है बेटा Aravallis. Aravalli hills in the अपने सेंटर पार्ट में, अगर सेंट्रल पार्ट ऑफ द इंडिया. जो उरल माउंटेन्स है दैट इज इन द यूरोप एंड एशिया में. यूरोप एशिया में विच माउंटेन रेंज सेपरेट यूरोप एंड एशिया. जो उरल माउंटेन्स है दैट रेंज सेपरेट India and Europe with these mountain Ural mountain range. तो जो Aravalli hills है, Aravallis and Ural, these are the old mountains. से पुराने बहुत means from the beginning, जब से that land features जब means तो it will be noted कि these are the very old mountains, जो सबसे पुराने हैं. तो fold mountains क्या बेटा? The fold mountains are means that when the pressure will be in center part, and जो youngest fold mountains है that are in Himalayas, Rockies, Andes, and old mountains कौन से हैं? Aravallis, Ural. And अब where is the Himalayas? Himalaya range in which continent? That is in Asia continent. And Rockies range, that is in North America. And the Andes mountain range is in, that is in South America. And these are the young fold mountains. And Aravalli is in center part of the India, and Ural is in the Asia part, which mountain range that separate India from Europe. Means Europe or India, the Asia को separate करती है, that is Ural mountain. And these mountains are the old mountains. Next है बेटा block mountain. जो next range of that mountains है, that is the block mountains. And जो block mountains है बेटा, that are formed by the, again it's a force or pressure. Means when these plates जो उसको pressure ऐसे दोनों तरफ pressure पड़ता है. See this, suppose these are the plates and इस तरफ से भी pressure पड़ रहा है, इस तरफ से pressure पड़ रहा है. Then क्या होगा? That plates are be uplift, means एक दूसरे के ऊपर आ जाना. तो when it will be up and down, so क्या होगा? जो one part है वो ऊपर हो जाएगा, other part will be downside. So these are known as the block mountain. When that blocks and when that tectonic जो plates है that एक दूसरे के ऊपर आ जाना, and this is forms a block mountain. And again these are the two types, means जो part uplift है, uplift block जो है उसको क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? That is known as the horst, HORST, जो uplift part है. this जो लो एरिया, लो पार्ट है, जो प्लेट नीचे चलेगी, दैट इज ग्रेवन, दैट इज नोन एज द ग्रेवन. मीन नाउ इफ यू विल फाउंड दैट एज पर द वर्ड, मीन्स फुल वर्ड लेवल पे देखा जाए तो ब्लॉक लेवल, सो मेनी ब्लॉक लेवल ब्लॉक माउंटेन्स आर देयर. बट जो विंध्यस माउंटेन है, इट इज ऑल्सो विंध्यस माउंटेन इन इंडिया, इट इज ऑल्सो अ ब्लॉक माउंटेन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल Vindhyas mountain. If the question will come ki give the example of block mountain and give the example of fold mountain or volcanic mountain, so you will learn this. जिसके Vindhyas जो है that is the block mountain. Okay. So next is the volcanic mountains. Next है बेटा volcanic mountains. Volcanic mountains are formed when the volcanic activities are active, means due to the volcanic eruption. Volcanic क्या होता है बेटा? जिसको हम ज्वालामुखी बोलते हैं. means these are the when the जो hot magma होता है, hot magma will come out with the pressure. okay, तो वो जैसे कोई सेंटर पार्ट से प्रेशर पड़ रहा है तो that will come, तो मैग्मा जो लावा है वो it will making this type of shape. So when that lava, magma, it will be cool. जैसे जैसे ये cold होता जाएगा, ठंडा होता जाएगा, तो it will create a shape of a mountains. वो rocks की shape create कर लेता है. तो these type of mountains are known as the volcanic mountains. जो mountains volcanic की वजह से की eruption की वजह से that form हुए हैं, that are known as the volcanic mountains. And for example, volcanic mountains कहाँ पर है? that are Kilimanjaro. Kilimanjaro is in Africa. Africa में Kilimanjaro, that is in the volcanic mountain example है. And Fusiyama is in Japan. And Krakatoa is in Indonesia. Etha is in the Italy. These are examples are given in your book. And so in the where it is a topic that mountains topic is there in your book, that is on page number 162. So that is one box is there और उसमें आपको that different kinds of the mountains के name है that you will be learn from there and try to be find out कि which mountain in which area, means कौन सा mountain कहाँ पर है, means कौन which with the help of atlas you will try to be find out. So this is the mountains. Yes beta, next mountains that we have learned, we have discussed about the mountains are three types, and again what is the uses of mountains, why these are important for us. First of all, these are very useful natural resources, means we are getting these natural resources, these are we are using as the natural resources. Why these are natural? Because firstly we will get the fresh water from this with the help of these mountains, because that mountains are high mountains are they are covered with the ice throughout the year and they make the glaciers, and with the help of the glacier, when that glaciers are melting, so that rivers are forming, the rivers are flowing with the water, that water is a glacier, that fresh water. So fresh water, so it is the storehouse of the fresh water, and that fresh water we are using for different purposes, and for irrigation, for the cultivation, for to produce electricity. When that water will come from the high pressure from the mountains, and then it will be that help to produce the electricity. And moreover that mountains area, that is a forest area, means forest, that natural plantation that is found in the forest area, and the forest provide us fuel, इससे हमें fuel मिलती है, different kinds of wood we are getting from the mountains, and moreover medicinal plants are we getting from the mountains, and gum plants are we in the mountain area. And second is it is a natural barrier. Natural barrier, how these are natural barrier? Because these plants, the mountains, and they help us to, means that in the hot and cold wind, means उसको हम तक आने से रोकते हैं. That is why it is known as the natural barriers, means इसको इस चीज़ को रोकने के लिए किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं है, just and automatically natural mountains are be there, and they provide the mineral and precious stones, means different kinds of minerals we are getting in the mountains area, and precious stones we are getting from here. Next capital word plateaus, जो landform है. What do you mean by the plateau? It is a highland area with the flat top, means इसके जो surface means surrounding by area से थोड़ा सा ऊपर, and top part of that is a flat land, flat top होता है, and its other name is also known as a table. It looks like a table, इसीलिए इसको table land भी कहते हैं. And again जो plateau region है, that is classification into the three parts: intermountains, continental plateaus, and lava plateaus. Intermountains plateaus, continental plateaus, and lava plateaus. These are the classification of the plateau region. अब जो intermountains जो plateau region है, these plateaus are looks like the mountains. These are very largest, highest, and means according to the mountains. If you will talk there, which the example of the intermountains mountains, that is the Tibet. Tibet जो एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट में आता है, that is the intermountains plateaus. Bolivia. Bolivia is the name of the country also in the north, South America. It is in where the Andes mountain range. There is Bolivia plateau region is there. Mexico is North America. Mexico is in North America, and Tarim basin is in Asia, and Colombia is in USA. Means these are the examples of intermontane plateaus. Second जो classification है that is the continental plateaus. These are the lowland. यहाँ पर ये it's a low area means, and it's, if you will talk that examples of that is in South Africa, West Australia, Greenland, Ranchi, Antarctic. These in these areas this type of the plateaus are found. And if you will talk about the India, जो India में Ranchi जो that capital है state की, that is a mountain that plateau region. So that is the example of the continental plateaus. And moreover, जो continental plateau region है that are we means in between the coastal area, means जिसके साइड में कोस्टल एरिया हो, दैट प्लेटो रीजन इज नोन एज द कॉन्टिनेंटल रीजन. एंड दीज जो प्लेटो रीजन है, दीज आर ऑल्सो बेस्ट फॉर द मिनरल्स. दीज सो मेनी मिनरल्स रॉक्स आर बी फॉर्म, मीन्स नेचुरल रिसोर्स आर बी वी आर गेटिंग इन द प्लेटो रीजन. थर्ड बेटा है लावा प्लेट्यूज. थर्ड जो प्लेटो जो क्लासिफिकेशन दैट इज द लावा प्लेटो रीजन. तो लावा प्लेटो एज पर द नेम के अकॉर्डिंगली वी नो दैट इज फॉर्म बाय द वॉल्केनो इरप्शन. मीन्स जो वॉल्केनो की वजह से, जो लावा की वजह से जो माउंटेन्स एरिया जो प्लेटो रीजन बनता है दैट इज नोन एज द लावा प्लेटोज. एंड if you will talk about the examples of, for examples, that the Deccan Plateau है, East African plateau that is in Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. These are the example of the lava plateaus. So Deccan Plateau in India, that is also formed by the volcanic eruptions. And the Western Plateau region that is in the Australia. These are the examples. And these plateau regions are mainly formed as a result of the so many minerals are found in this plateau regions. Means these are the rich resources of the mineral deposit. And in the African plateau region, that is the best for that Africa is for known as the gold and diamond. Means the gold and diamond की वजह से it's gold, जो gold and diamond की mines हैं that is in Africa. And that coal mines that जो छोटा नागपुर है that is best for the iron and coal and manganese. So if you will talk the waterfall, this is also the plateau region है that is famous for the waterfall also. That many waterfall are found in this plateau region. For example, in Karnataka, in India, Karnataka state है, that is the highest waterfall is there, that is the Jog Fall. Jog Fall is the highest waterfall in India. So these are the examples of the plateau regions: intermontane, continental and lava. These are the three type of examples. Next we will start the plains. Next जो है बेटा that is platform is plain. Now we will discuss about the plain. That is very important part, and that is very means that interesting that we can say that fertile area, that plains to area. And definition of that plains is that it's a low-lying area. Means it's a flat land, it's a low-lying area, that it's the best for the cultivation. And now question is this, how it is formed. These are formed by the rivers and tributaries. These are formed by the rivers as well as the tributaries. When that water will flow, that high means with the pressure, and then it will bring that the best means जो sediments होते हैं, and that sediments means the plain area में आगे that जो flow है water का that is just slow, and while moving water will move, and but that जो sediments है that will be remain in that area. So that sediments make this area as a fertile land. So fertile land is best for, so fertile land is the best for cultivation. Means means agriculture work जो we are the plantation we can grow that is in more in this region. So it is very fertile region. It is also densely populated. Densely populated means घनी जनसंख्या as per comparison of the mountains and the plateau regions. It is difficult to be live in these mountains and plateaus. जहाँ की जो population है that is not a mountain, जहाँ की people are not sufficient in this area, but जो more population है जो main big cities हैं जो that is situated in the plain area. And why it is so? Because it is that provide the fertile area, fertile land, and moreover that it's the best part to build the that buildings. Building को build करने के लिए it's a very what. And जो plain area है, plain is found in every continent, most of in every continents. For example, in India में that is a Indo-Gangetic plain. That is example of the plain area. Landforms and the people. अब तो landforms हैं, the different kinds of people are living in the different kinds of landforms, and the people are using that land according to their living styles. And the mountains leads a harsh life. अगर if you will talk the different places, जो mountains है, mountains पे जो people those are living as a very harsh life. They are facing a very difficulties to live in that area. And in plains the living conditions are better. जो plains area में जो living conditions that are better conditions. And time to time the peoples are facing with the natural climates. Natural climates like a flooding means there, that volcanics are there, earthquakes are there. Due to these climates that peoples have that damage their all the properties. So they will start their life from the beginning. So why these are divided going to be increased is because we people are polluted our environment. We are for our use we are cutting the trees, forest area को हम clean कर रहे हैं for our purpose. So due to this that our जो environment है that is going to be polluted. With the polluted environment, then while using our land and water resources in wasteful manner, हम अपने जो resources इसको that natural God has given us, so that we are using as a wasteful manner. So it is our duty, we have to make our environment clean, neat and clean, so we can live in the better life in this our natural that we can use these natural resources in a better way, or we can make our planet better. So that जो coming generation है, so they can use this our planet, our earth the better way. It's our duty. We will keep our environment neat and clean. Thank you. Have a nice day.